Hello. Hello and welcome to my paper boats. This is one that I found on YouTube that it's alright for floating, but doesn't look very good, does it? So I'm going to show you how to make this. Awesome, isn't it? It looks really nice. So what we're going to need is 2 sheets of any size paper, but they have to be the same. Right. Get off this one, and we want to fold it over. Make sure it's nice and straight. Make the folds really intense. Turn it over so the side that isn't open is at the top. Then we want to fold it like this, like that on each side, so it's equal. If it's not, and you do it wrong, it doesn't matter, just refold it. It's not going to affect the boat. Right, and now we're going to turn it over. Once it looks like that, we're going to turn it over to the back, and this little flap at the bottom, one side of it, we're going to fold over. So it looks like a boat shape. And do the same on the other side. Right, so now we've got that. Now we're gonna, it should resemble a party hat. Now we're gonna pull the party hat half open and do that with it. And then these bits just fold over. Right, now I've got that. Yeah, now I've got like a square shape. What we're going to do is we're going to get our open side and fold it over to the non-open side on both sides. So, 1 and 2. Now open it up again and do the folded thing again. So open it up and fold it in. And now we're gonna get the top here, the side that's open, and pull them 2 sides. So watch, pull them 2 sides and it'll open like this. Then we're gonna, there's a bit that's inside, that's okay, that should be there. I'm going to fold it like that, and then that's our main boat. That's the main boat. Now we're going to do exactly the same with the other piece. So go through the process again. Fold it over. Turn it over. Open it up. If I'm going too fast for you now, just go back in the video and do the same steps as before. Turn it over. Gone over. Again. And then this time, once you get to this step where you're going to pull it open, you want to pull it open and make the boat shape, but then you're going to push it in so you've got a flat top. You're going to push the ends in, the end pieces, so you've got a flat roof. Get your other piece, and then the bottom bits here, them, slit into the bottom bits on the main boat, so it just slits in like that. And then there you have it. You can tape it if you want. There you have a nice floating water boat paper. So please comment, subscribe, and I'll do some more videos on it. And by the way, if you don't want to sellotape it, at the end here you got a big piece where there's nothing on it. You want to get that piece and fold it over, and then fold it over again on the other side. Nice and sharp folds, and then it should be together. And then like that. And then that's how to make a little boat instead of this rubbish old one. We've got some nice new ones. Thank you, comment, subscribe, see you later, bye, peace.